Good morning, good morning. So today in science, we are going to talk about storms first. We talked a little bit about rain the last time. Remember we talked about that water is in the air all the time. Even when you can't see it, there's water in the air. But when it's raining, we're able to see the water in the air. So today I'm going to read to you this page 25. I'm going to read this to you. It says storms. It may be a hot summer day. The clouds are getting dark. A flash of light comes through the clouds. That flash is called lightning. Then we hear a boom. It's thunder. The wind begins to blow hard and the rain comes down fast. We all know that that's a storm, and we've been at school when there's a storm, and we've been at home when there's storms. And it's just something that happens. Sometimes they're a little bit scary, but what is something that we can do when we're scared? We can pray and ask God to help us not be scared. That's right. I had to help Adelie pray last night when I put her to bed because she was scared. And we prayed about it and she asked God to help her. And she was so happy because her tears dried right up and she was able to have a good night's sleep. So if you're feeling scared, don't forget to pray. Okay? So let's turn to the next page. Page 26. And I will read this page to you guys as well. It is a thunderstorm. I must stay inside. I am safe in the house. If I'm outside, I must stay away from trees. I should stay away from water too. I will not be afraid. God is with me. And through God's word, the Holy Bible, we know that God is with us. And he tells us not to be afraid. And in the time that we are afraid, to pray to him, trust in him because he's there with us. In Psalm 56, verse 3, chapter 56, verse 3, it says, "What time I am afraid, I will trust in thee." That's God's words telling us that when we are afraid to trust in him and he will care for us. All right, so let's go to the next page, page 26. Oh, sorry, page 27. We were just on page 26. We're on page 27. Now we're going to talk about snow. We did not have a lot of snow this year, and it's kind of sad because I really like snow. I like to see it. It's pretty. And of course, my kids love to make snowballs. And my German Shepherd dog, he loves the snow. What little bit of snow we had, he loved, loved, loved. But we're going to talk about snow. So, snow. I'm going to read all of this to you and we'll go through it together. Ready? The sun is not out. The sky is gray. The air is cold. Snowflakes float to the ground. I will wear a coat, hat, scarf, gloves, and boots to keep warm. The thermometer says it may get colder. Let's see. The thermometer says, what? Look, here's our thermometer. Who remembers how we tell what the temperature is outside? This red stuff right in here inside the thermometer, it goes up when it gets hot and it goes down when it gets cold. So if it's down low, it's probably cold outside, but if it's up high, it's probably hot outside. So these are the numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That is degrees. That's how we measure the temperature of our weather in degrees. Who can look at this and tell me how many degrees it is outside? Okay, it's 20 degrees. 20 degrees is cold. I like it more about 80 degrees. But on this thermometer, it's 20 degrees. So right here in this place, you're going to write 20. Okay, the thermometer says 20 degrees. And remember, after you write your number, let me turn this book a little bit. you put a little circle right up there at the top. And that little circle means degrees. Very good. So when you get done with that page, you are going to color the picture. Go ahead and turn to page 27. Oh my goodness, I keep getting behind. 28. We were just on 27. Now we're on 28. Okay, what is snow? Well, snowflakes are made of air, water, and dust. So, when you are outside catching snowflakes on your tongue, what are you catching? You're catching air, water, and dust. Oh my goodness. Don't worry, everybody catches snowflakes. So, they are made high in the clouds where the air is very cold. And a snowflake, just like this one, has 6 points. And there is no 2 snowflakes that look the same. Every snowflake ever to come out of the clouds is unique and special. Just like you guys. None of you are the same. Each and every single one of you is special. And each and every one of you has a beautiful heart. And you guys are so sweet and loving, but you are all different. And that's great. That's a good thing that we are different. That is the way that God made us. And He even made us like the snowflakes. He made us all different. All right, so then on page 29, this is something that you can do. You are going to draw a snowman beside the child who is dressed for snow. So which one of these children is dressed for the snow? Do you play in the snow with swim shorts and a bucket? No, you would freeze. Do you play in the snow with an umbrella? No, that's for the rain. I think we're going to go up here and play in the snow with this little girl who's got boots and long pants and gloves and a coat and a scarf and a hat to keep her nice and warm. So you are going to draw a snowman with this little girl, and then you will go and color all of the other pictures. All right, that is it for today. Have fun. Make your pictures beautiful, and have a great day.